Welcome once again to the east coast of England and Thompson Smith in Louth, Lincolnshire. And today we're very pleased to offer this delivery mileage special edition khaki green metallic Mitsubishi Minicab. It's perfect for work or play. I've got the vehicle ticking over already. Just show you first of all the auto dip and LED headlights. You'll also see their front fogs. And that's a four-wheel drive variant with diff lock. Just take you down the driver's side of the super cool vehicle. Into the rear, you'll see rear park sensors there, spare wheel. I'll just show you how easy it is to drop the body. Just two latches there. The sides come down as well. Okay, so we'll just walk you down the near side. 6 steps there to get to the body as well. Come to the near side front. And it's got to take you around to the cab itself. So I will just show you as well that I've missed this light for all your night work. Just take me to the cab. That's done a full 286 delivery miles. You'll see here folding mirrors, electric windows. See the dinky cab. Let's just jump in. So we've got auto lights. Now we've also got a phone plugged in here, just show you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, into all your maps and bits and bobs, WhatsApps and messages, Bluetooth. Come down there, you'll see the rear park sensors, diff lock as I mentioned, fogs, 5-speed manual box. Also got a charging socket here. Really is the business. Right, let's just take you out for one more look. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, you ring the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.